Hello, it's audible. Okay, now we will discuss the AN. Okay, AN. Write in your book, that's why you can understand better. Okay, this is the formula of AN. Now we apply this function, this limits, as well as the value of the L. Now, most important step, this is the, we apply as a U. Okay, x plus x square as a U. And cos nx as a V. X plus x square as a U. And cos nx as a V. Now U as it is integration of cos nx, that is sin nx divided by n, plus differentiation of x is 1, x square differentiation is 2x, then sin nx by n integration, right? That is minus cosine, and therefore in the Leibniz rule, the middle sign is this sign is minus, therefore minus minus plus, right? Therefore, the differentiation of 1 plus 2x is 1 differentiation is 0 and 2x is 2. And cosine integration is sine divided by n cube. I repeat, that is the integration of cos nx. Cos integration, first integration is sine nx by n. Second integration is cos nx minus cos nx by n square. And third is sine nx by n cube. Why we stop here this Leibniz rule? Because in the next step, constant term differentiation is 0. Okay, that's why we stop here. Understand this Leibniz rule, everyone? Everyone understand this Leibniz rule? Hello? Understand this Leibniz rule, everyone? Write in the chat box. LIATE rule, not LIBTE, students. Okay, I explain it. LIATE rule. Again, LIATE rule means hello, this is LIATE rule, right? U into V dx, then first term U as it is, then in the further step, take the successive differentiation of U. In first step, V1, then take in the further steps successive integration V1, V2, V3. And sign is positive, negative, positive, negative. Okay. Now listen. In this Fourier series, as per the LIAT rule, right? Every algebraic function is there as well as the exponential or trigo functions are there. Therefore, we select algebraic function as a u and trigo function or the exponential function as a v. Now we will see the bn. Okay. Now next step. Okay. Now we apply the values, right? X plus x square, that is the sine term, and we all know that sine n pi and sine minus n pi, both the values are 0, right? Sine function for the 0 value, for the pi value, for the minus pi value, right? That will be 0. Therefore, this first term and the last term is the 0 for lower limit as well as upper limit, right? Now apply in the middle term, that is the only remaining term. Therefore 1 plus 2 pi cos n pi by n square minus lower limit 1 2 into minus pi, therefore minus 2 pi cos minus n pi by n square, right? We know that cos is an even function, therefore cos minus n pi equal to cos n pi, right? Therefore pi pi cancel out, that is the 2 time when we open this bracket, right? Therefore minus minus plus 2 pi, therefore 4 pi, and minus 1 and plus 1 is 0. Therefore remaining is 4 pi cos n pi. Therefore 4 minus 1 power n by n square. This is the answer of the an. Now bn. The same way we apply the Leibniz rule. This is the formula 1 by L a to b f of x sine nx dx 1 by pi integration minus pi to pi x plus x square sine nx dx. Then apply u dot v rule, that is our u, that is our v. X plus x square first differentiation is 1 plus 2x, second differentiation is 2. Sine nx first integration is minus cos nx by n. Another integration is minus sine nx by n square, and this minus minus becomes plus, right? And again sine nx integration is cos nx divided by n cube, right? Again student, sine n pi 0 minus sine n pi is also 0, that this term is eliminate, remaining only first term and last term. Now we apply the limits pi plus pi square minus cos n pi by n plus 2 cos n pi by n cube minus lower limit minus pi plus minus pi whole square, that is pi square, cos minus n pi by n minus 2 cos minus n pi by n cube. Limit is minus pi to plus pi, right? Open this bracket, right? That is plus term and that is the minus term, that is the cancel out, remaining is only this term. You simplify 2 steps in your book, therefore you getting this, and then apply the value of the cos n pi. And apply into the Fourier series. Okay. Yes, any doubt, anyone? Now you can unmute yourself and tell me any doubt regarding this 2 question, anyone? Hello, you can unmute yourself. You can also unmute yourself and tell me. Unmute yourself and tell me any doubt.
No.
Clear this? Everyone clear these 2 questions? Anything repeat for this? Today we will learn the two questions. One is exponential function and one is x plus x square. Okay. Now try this question. Okay, yourself. F of x equal to x plus modulus of x. You all are aware of modulus of x? If you have not to speak anything, then please mute yourself. Some disturbance creating now, right? If you want to speak something, then you can unmute yourself. Otherwise, you mute yourself. Okay? Try this question. Here modulus of x, right? And here minus pi to pi. You remember something regarding the 12th standard. If function is minus a to a and function is odd function, then what is the value of the integration? Tell me and write into the chat box. If the limit is minus a to a and function is an odd function, then what is the value of the integration? Write in your chat box. Yes, write in your chat box. Answer. Yes, you got it. These two question. Listen my question, everyone. If the function is odd function and the limit is minus a to a, then what is the integration value? Yes, correct. 33. 33 number. What's your name? The answer is,
Stephen.
yeah, thank you very much. Yes, answer is 0. Right? Therefore, this example we will do using this concept of the integration, right? A0, that is the Fourier series formula, that is the A0. Now listen, this is the concept. Function is an odd function, then the integration value is 0. And function is even function, then the integration limit is double 2 and here 0 to a f of x dx. 2 integration 0 to a f of x dx, right? If function is even function, we apply this concept, we separate each and every term. We separate this term, separate integration, first term as well as the another term. First term, that is the odd function, therefore value of the integration directly 0, right? You can also apply, dear students, the integration, apply the limits, then you also get it the 0, right? Here I apply directly the concept of the integration, right? If you want to check that, then you apply the integration of x and put it the limits. Now that is the modulus of x, right? And we know that the modulus of x minus pi to pi, modulus is always the even function, right? Therefore like that, and into the 0 to pi, right? The x is positive. Therefore we apply only x dx and apply the integration. Now an, the same way, okay? Separate both the terms with cos and x. Now x is a odd function, cos and x is even function, and multiple of odd into even is odd. Therefore this whole function is a odd function. Therefore first term is 0 and that is the multiply by 2, right? And then after apply the u dot v rule, x as it is, cos nx integration sine nx by n, x differentiation 1 minus cos nx by n square 0 to pi, right? Put it the limit cos n pi, therefore minus 1 raised to n minus 1 2 upon pi n square. Now students, this is the same way bn you try yourself, right? Any doubt in A0 and AN? Anyone? Any doubt in A0 and AN? You can unmute yourself. Clear today's lecture or any doubt? Everyone clear today's lecture?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, then I will share this PPT in your login ID as well as in your Google Classroom. Please join the remaining student by Google Classroom today, because one assignment in every lecture for the practice work as well as the assignment work, 2 to 3 questions regarding every lecture, and you solve these questions and submit to me in the Google Classroom. Okay? Everyone aware of the Google Classroom?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. If you have any doubt, then send it one message. Okay, then I will
Okay.
help you. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
thank you very much, everyone. Okay,
Thank you.
bye bye. Thank you very much.
Okay, ma'am. Goodbye.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.